February tool deals are dropping harder than holiday markdowns, and Home Depot's lineup proves it. From cordless kits to pro-grade lasers, these discounts hit deeper than Black Friday without the chaos. Check the video description for direct links to every deal below. Home Depot Power Tool Kits and Combo Deals. Deal number 34, RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt cordless 8-tool combo kit, was $529, now $329, 38% off. This is a full workshop in a box for DIYers and homeowners who want serious versatility without committing to a pro-price ecosystem. You get 8 core tools: drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, jigsaw, random orbit sander, and LED light, powered by 3 lithium batteries with a built-in fuel gauge. With strong torque, fast cutting speeds, reduced vibration, and compatibility with over 300 OnePlus tools, this kit covers everything from basic repairs to major home projects, all backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty. Deal number 33, DeWalt 20-volt Max XR brushless 5-tool cordless combo kit, was $949, now $599, 37% off. 5 XR brushless tools deliver pro-grade drilling, fastening, cutting, and demo performance right out of the box. Smart features like anti-rotation protection and variable speed control make these tools feel refined and job site ready. 2 5.0 amp-hour batteries plus a FlexVolt fast charger seal the deal at $350 off. Deal number 32, DeWalt 20-volt Max cordless 1/2-inch drill driver kit, was $179, now $129, 28% off. Reliable DeWalt performance comes packed in a compact, easy-to-handle package perfect for homeowners and DIYers. The high-performance motor delivers 300 UWO with a 2-speed transmission for diverse materials. 2 batteries, charger, contractor bag, and a 3-year warranty make this a steal at this discount. Deal number 31, RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt brushless 4-mode 1/2-inch high-torque impact wrench set, was $269, now $179, 33% off. Serious torque meets homeowner-friendly pricing with 1,170 foot-pounds of breakaway force for automotive and heavy-duty work. 4 selectable modes including auto mode prevent over-tightening while delivering precise control. Die-cast construction and OnePlus compatibility make this a monster upgrade at deep savings. Home Depot individual power tools and specialty equipment deals. Deal number 30, RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt cordless jigsaw, was $79, now $49.97, 37% off. Budget-friendly precision arrives with variable speed control up to 3,000 SPM and 30% reduced vibration for cleaner lines. 4 orbital settings balance speed versus accuracy, while tool-free blade changes keep workflow moving. LED work light and non-marring shoes sweeten this sub-$50 deal. Deal number 29, RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt cordless reciprocating saw, was $89, now $49.97, 44% off. Hard-hitting demolition power delivers 3,400 SPM with a 1-inch stroke that rips through wood, metal, and PVC fast. Variable speed trigger and pivoting shoe provide solid control in awkward positions. Over 145 cuts per charge make this one of the platform's best value additions. Deal number 28, RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt 18-gauge cordless airstrike brad nailer plus 3/8-inch crown stapler, was $233, now $198.97. Compressor-free finishing handles trim work, cabinetry, and light construction without hoses or gas cartridges. The brad nailer drives 2-inch nails into hardwood for 1,900 nails per charge with tool-free depth adjustment. Paired crown stapler delivers 5,500 staples per charge for complete fastening coverage. Deal number 27, DeWalt 15-amp corded 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw, was $429, now $329, 23% off. Powerful 15-amp motor spins 12-inch blades at 3,800 RPM for clean, consistent cuts in framing and trim work. Stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops delivers repeatable accuracy. Double bevel design and tall sliding fences handle complex angles and large molding confidently. Deal number 26, DeWalt 15-amp corded 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw bundle, was $868, now $629, 28% off. Job site ready setup pairs the DWS 779 sliding saw with dual steel rails for smooth, precise cuts on 2x14 lumber and wide crown molding. Bundle includes blade wrench, material clamp, and compact universal stand rated for 500 pounds. Pro-level performance with rock-solid stability at nearly $240 off. Deal number 25. Graco Magnum 2800 PSI Project Painter Plus Airless Paint Sprayer. Was $269, now $237, 12% off. Professional-looking results arrive without rollers or brushes for projects up to 5 gallons. Sprays paint and stain unthinned with fully adjustable pressure for clean coverage on decks, fences, and walls. Stainless steel piston pump and power flush adapter make cleanup simple. Deal number 24. RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18-volt brushless Whisper Series 130 mph 510 CFM cordless leaf blower kit. Was $229, now $179, 22% off. Gas blower replacement delivers 510 CFM and 130 miles per hour, more power than 24cc gas, while running 85% quieter. Variable speed trigger, high-low modes, and cruise control provide precise control for any cleanup task. Included 6.0 amp-hour battery delivers over an hour of runtime. Deal number 23. DeWalt XR 20-volt Max brushless cordless screw gun. Was $199, now $149, 25% off. Purpose-built drywall performance arrives with 4 dedicated modes: high speed, low speed, push start, and lock on for different hanging tasks. Compact, lightweight design reduces fatigue during long runs, while adjustable nose cone ensures consistent screw depth. Professional upgrade for regular drywall work. Deal number 22. Milwaukee M12 12-volt 23-gauge cordless pin nailer. Was $249, now $199, 20% off. Compact cordless precision sinks 23-gauge headless pins cleanly into hardwoods and softwoods, leaving nearly invisible holes. Nitrogen air spring mechanism delivers consistent performance without hoses or gas cartridges. Tool-free depth adjustment and dry fire lockout excel in delicate trim applications. Deal number 21. DeWalt XR 20-volt Max brushless cordless rotary drywall cutout tool. Was $199, now $149, 25% off. Fast, precise cutting delivers 26,000 RPM brushless performance for clean outlet boxes and detail cutouts. Compact, lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended use, while integrated LED illuminates tight spaces. Tool-free bit changes and forward on-off switch boost accuracy. Deal number 20. RYOBI 1 Plus Hybrid Tri-Power Tripod Light. Was $199, now $169, 15% off. RYOBI's brightest job site light pushes 3,800 lumens with a detachable 360-degree LED head and individually adjustable panels. Tripod extends to 7 feet with pivoting head for full coverage. Tri-Power runs on 18-volt 1 Plus, 40-volt batteries or extension cord for maximum flexibility. Deal number 19. RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt cordless 4.5-inch angle grinder. Solid cordless performance delivers 9,000 RPM for cutting, grinding, and surface prep without outlet restrictions. Ergonomic design and 3-position side handle improve control during tougher jobs. Tool-free guard adjustment and onboard wrench storage streamline accessory changes. Home Depot batteries, chargers, accessories, and hand tool deals. Deal number 18. DeWalt FlexVolt 20-volt 60-volt Max 6.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery pack. Was $299, now $199, 33% off. Best power upgrade for DeWalt ecosystem automatically switches voltage for 20-volt max, 60-volt max, and 120-volt max tools. Each pack delivers up to 4 times longer runtime than standard 1.5 amp-hour batteries and expands to 9.0 amp-hour in 20-volt tools. 2 batteries with onboard indicators make this a steal. Deal number 17. DeWalt 20-volt Max Premium Lithium-Ion 4.0 amp-hour battery pack. Was $219, now $129, 41% off. Best value battery upgrade delivers long runtime without excessive weight, ideal for all-day drill and saw use. Built-in fuel gauges check charge at a glance, while batteries hold power during storage. 2 high-capacity packs for barely more than one's price is a no-brainer. Deal number 16. RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt high-performance starter kit. Was $159, now $99, 38% off. System upgrade delivers up to 4 times more runtime and 30% more power through advanced lithium cells and IntelliCell electronics. Cool Core design manages temperatures under heavy load, while Fast Charger cuts charge times in half. Smart grab for demanding tools and longer sessions. Deal number 15, Milwaukee M18 Red Lithium Forge 8.0 Ah battery pack with M18 dual base simultaneous supercharger. Was $448, now $349, 22% off. Milwaukee's most advanced combo delivers high output power equal to 12 amp-hours in a smaller, lighter design with faster cooling. Dual base simultaneous supercharger reaches 80% in just 35 minutes using Cool Cycle Active Cooling. Serious productivity upgrade for high-draw tools at nearly $100 off. Deal number 14, RYOBI OnePlus 18-volt cordless high-pressure inflator kit. Was $99, now $69.97, 29% off. Must-have convenience delivers up to 160 psi for car and bike tires, sports balls, and inflatables. Auto shutoff stops at preset pressure for hands-free accuracy, while clear digital gauge and 24-inch hose simplify operation. Battery and charger included for immediate use. Deal number 13, Rigid 18-volt cordless dual-function inflator kit. Was $149, now $109, 27% off. Powerful all-in-one switches between high pressure up to 160 psi and high volume 16 SCFM output for fast inflation or deflation. Digital dial with auto shutoff ensures accurate pressure setting, while hybrid power runs on any rigid 18-volt battery or 12-volt vehicle adapter. Deal number 12, RYOBI OnePlus 18-volt dual-function inflator kit. Was $213, now $167.97, 23% off. Versatile convenience combines digital inflator delivering 160 psi plus high-volume inflation and deflation with auto shutoff. Paired cordless wet-dry hand vacuum tackles quick cleanups and spills. 2 everyday tools powered by one OnePlus battery system maximize utility. Deal number 11, Milwaukee half-inch drive SAE metric ratchet and socket mechanics tool set. Was $349.99, now $249, 29% off. Premium socket set features 90-tooth ratchet with tight 4-degree arc swing and slim profile for confined spaces. 4 flat sockets prevent rolling and accept wrenches for extra leverage. IP65 rated pack-out case with lifetime guarantee delivers serious upgrade at $100 off. Deal number 10, Milwaukee 25-foot compact magnetic tape measure. Was $45.94, now $19.97, 57% off. No-brainer grab delivers stiff blade standing out to 12 feet for cleaner solo measurements. Low-profile magnet provides solid top and bottom hook grab on metal surfaces. 2 compact impact-resistant tapes with double-sided printing and anti-tear coating at under $10 each. Deal number 9, Milwaukee 7-inch rafter square plus 4.5-inch aluminum trim square set. Was $35.97, now $19.97, 44% off. Precision layout combo features 7-inch rafter square with high-visibility laser-etched markings and scribe notches. Compact 4.5-inch trim square fits pockets for quick reference marks, with dual heel measurements. Durable extruded aluminum with limited lifetime warranty at nearly half off. Deal number 8, Milwaukee 27-in-1 Security Precision Multi-Bit Screwdriver. Was $22.97, now $16.97, 26% off. Compact precision driver organizes 27 bits in handle storage for electronics, appliances, and security fasteners. Non-slip grip and knurled shank deliver excellent control for delicate work. 360-degree rotating back cap enables smooth one-handed operation with lifetime warranty. Deal number 7, Husky 94-piece mechanics toolset in EVA foam. Was $79.97, now $49.97, 38% off. Compact, well-rounded socket mix includes 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive standard and deep sockets with 2 fine-tooth ratchets. Chrome alloy steel resists corrosion, while chamfered lead-ins speed socket engagement. High-visibility EVA foam trays keep everything organized under $50. Deal number 6, DeWalt 100-foot green self-leveling 3-spot laser level. Was $277.43, now $169.97, 39% off. Rugged high-visibility green beams extend up to 100 feet with plus or minus 1/8 inch accuracy at 30 feet. Self-leveling pendulum, locking pendulum for transport, and integrated magnetic bracket deliver fast setup. IP54 rated, drop-resistant design excels in electrical, plumbing, and track installation. Deal number 5. DeWalt 20V Max Green Crossline Laser Level Kit was $537.90, now $383.97, 29% off. Pro-grade layout laser powered by 20V Max delivers bright green crosslines with 180-foot visibility and 330-foot detector range. Self-leveling pendulum, rotating head, and powerful magnetic mount enable fast setup on steel studs and ceilings. Included 2.0 amp-hour battery provides 18-hour runtime. Deal number 4. Milwaukee Red Lithium USB Pivoting Floodlight, 550 lumens, plus low-profile hard hat headlamp, 600 lumens, 2-pack, was $129, now $99.97, 23% off. Job site-ready lighting combo features 550 lumen floodlight with 210-degree rotating head and magnetic base. Ultra-thin hard hat headlamp delivers 600 lumens with wide 125-degree flood beam for unobstructed visibility. Red Lithium USB batteries provide fast charging and long runtime. Deal number 3. Milwaukee 7-inch nipping pliers was $24.97, now $19.97, 20% off. Tough precision nippers cut and pull nails, screws, and wire without damaging finished surfaces. Hardened jaws with iron carbide cutting edges maintain long-lasting sharpness, while smooth jaw design prevents marring. Forged, rust-resistant build with comfortable grips at $20. Deal number 2. Crescent Lufkin 1-inch by 25-foot power return engineer's tape measure was $18.99, now $13.97, 26% off. Durable tape features tough ABS case with overmold grip, resisting impacts, and reinforced quad rivet hook preventing blade tear-out. Full-length clear coat protects against abrasion and corrosion, while top-mounted toggle hook enables one-handed operation. Solid 9-foot standout with Lufkin accuracy. Deal number 1. Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty SAE Socket Set Bundle was $239, now $159.97, 33% off. Heavy-duty impact sockets forged from high-strength steel feature non-slip hex geometry, reducing fastener rounding. Bold, ink-filled size markings stay readable over time, while dual-hole and ring groove designs ensure secure attachment. Customizable socket rails with Milwaukee's lifetime guarantee deliver standout value. These February tool deals deliver serious savings without the Black Friday rush. Whether you're building out a new workshop or upgrading worn tools, now's the time to grab what you need. Don't forget to subscribe to Valid Consumer for more deals that help you save big on the tools and gear you actually use.